Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Wu from Taiwan, the former president of AAHRS. It was great meeting everyone last year in Bangkok, and for those of you who are new to the organization, welcome. This year's AAHRS meeting will be held in Hangzhou, China from June 6 to June 9. We will have a basic video course designed for the novice physician. If you are an intermediate or advanced physician, there will be an in-depth discussion of the cutting-edge technology of FUE, FUT, and regenerative medicine. Don't miss out on this great opportunity to upgrade your knowledge and skills in hair restoration surgery. At the same time, explore the beautiful and enchanting city of Hangzhou, and we look forward to seeing you soon.